Hey guys, welcome back to Grubbin' Stuff. We're doing something different today. John's gonna make we're gonna try and smoke a meatloaf. I don't know how that's gonna turn out.
We have no idea.
But we're gonna check it out.
It's time.
In my version of Italian meatloaf, I pre-roasted some garlic, basically just cut the root section off, so you just cut it off across here to expose up into the individual cloves. We're going to add a few little spices because I like things spicy. Got 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of Italian sausage, and then I'm going to use a half a cup of oats as my, well, it eats the grease and holds it. It's pretty awesome. I do need an egg that I don't have out here, but I'll get that later. I'm going to make a slight filling. I'm going to do a mash of garlic, mushrooms, and the onion, which I'll add into my meat mix. We're just going to prep the onion and a couple mushrooms to go in the Cuisinart real quick. About a half an onion for this amount. I'm using a white onion because I like the heat. You're pretty much going to puree this, so it doesn't matter. I just do it smaller to make it easier for the machine to chunk it up. I'm probably going to save the rest of this for my garlic smashed potatoes that are actually going to be garlic smashed potatoes, twice baked style. And that's fine enough. End it up closer to 3/4, so it'll be fine. Fresh red pepper. Thyme. I like thyme. So it's going to have to be a free form. I was thinking maybe I'll put it in a bread pan to form it and then flip it out when I put it, just before I put it in the smoker. The best mixers in the world are right here, your fingers. And what we're going to do with this is probably throw it in a mold and put it in the fridge, even though that's not quite proper, but it's because it's ground and it's a loaf kind of thing, and I want it to hold together when we smoke it. So I think if we start it out cold in the smoker, it'll maintain its form. That's my theory. We'll find out for sure after we smoke it.
All right, right now, John's already prepped the meatloaf. It's in the fridge waiting to get on the smoker. Right now he's making twice baked potatoes. He's using a big knife to kind of carve that, so we'll see if he cuts his fingers off.
Haven't yet.
Is that the rest of the roasted garlic?
Yep. I'm just smushing it out. Look at that yummy goo.
So all this commotion is going on. Last weekend we were out at the river again. We tried some fishing. Rolling along the Colorado. Not catching a thing. Beautiful day. Can't take that away from us. Marked some fish on the fish finder, but apparently we weren't giving them what they wanted to eat. But it was a beautiful day. We had a good time anyway. Yeah, don't stand up when you're hauling ass, because otherwise you got to go fish your hat out of the drink.
Can't lose this one.
No, that's my favorite hat. Now what are you gonna make?
Jalapeno poppers.
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos poppin'.
Cheese.
Get it.
I made them fairly recently. This is about 50-50 cream cheese and cheddar cheese, just mushed together.
It's very intricate work.
Yeah. Worth it though, in my opinion. About a spoonful for each one. You know me. When have I not been able to eat? Twice baked potatoes. Basically baked the potatoes off last night, scraped them out this morning, mixed the scrapings with cheese, sour cream, a little bit of melted butter, bacon. Oh, and the roasted garlic I made yesterday. And a touch of onion, I think, if I didn't mention it. And just took that, hit it with the immersion blender until it was like smooth. And now I'm filling my taters. Click in and then you turn it
Just like that.
just like that. Then we're gonna finish her off in the oven. That looks pretty yummy already. Smoked meatloaf tartare.
No.
We'll let it rest a little bit. So we finish these off in the broiler to get a little crust on the cheese. It's a touch of burn. Yummy. Too hot to touch. I'd eat that.
What do you think, John?
I'm too busy eating to tell you anything, which is usually a good sign.
Nobody liked it.
Yeah, nobody
I hated mine.
Nobody liked it. I'm eating slow. I'm taking my time. She's eating a second meal.
Yeah. I'm in every single video with the last one done. It's alright.
Well, you're a slow eater. There's nothing wrong with that.
The
No, it's good for you.
yeah. Like the
I wish
Christmas
I was.
video.
I just grew up racing.
Inhaling.
Whoever ate the most got seconds, or ate the fastest got seconds.
See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Like, subscribe.
Like,
Yeah.
subscribe, follow, retweet,
Retweet. Share with your
reshare.
friends.
Yeah.
All that stuff.
Pass along the message.
Exactly.
And the dog's friend.
All that. See you next time.